Hotel and Restaurant Vocabulary مفردات الفندق والمطعم. In this video, you will learn useful hotel and restaurant vocabulary and phrases for reserving room and ordering food. في هذا الفيديو سوف تتعلم مفردات وعبارات مفيدة خاصة بالفنادق والمطاعم لحجز الغرف وطلب الطعام.
Receptionist. Reservation. Bellboy. Maid. Luggage. Key. To check in. To check out. Hand in a key or hand in a card. Swipe the door card to unlock. Single bed. Double bed. Swimming pool. Manager. Elevator or lift. Casino and pub. Cafe. Restaurant. Chef. Waiter. Waitress. Set the table. Appetizer or starters. Menu. Seafood. Order. Wait. Cook. Serve. Give. Take. Pay. Clean or clear. Hold or carry. It's on me or it's on my treat. Can I have the rest to go, please? Or can I wrap this up, please? Surplus food and leftover food.